beautiful day today. Gotta do farm chores so that we can get our butts in the garden. Let's get these farm chores done. Oh, you wait a damn minute. Little turds. You just like to eat sand. Get in your Get in your spot. You little biscuit. You know, you're greedy. Come here. Good morning. Oh, I don't want it to rain. Oh, it's sprinkling. Oh, come on. Dang it. I mean, I know I'm not going to melt, but damn, I really wanted to get in the garden. Okay, well, it's my farm chores. Don't forget, push all them buttons. We're trying to get the husband home full time, and in order to do that, we need to replace his income. That's where you guys come in. Hope you guys have a great day. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, which is everything. Okay, I love you. Bye.